What's up, Wildcats? Today, October 31st, we are making history. My name is Kayla Brandon.
Hey Wildcat, I am Janae Smith-Williams.
It is the finale of our anti-bullying campaign and door decorating contest. For the past 2 weeks, you have heard from all types of students, Black, white, Hispanic, and athletes, you name it. Today, we expand on that diversity and most importantly, inclusion.
Thank you, Kayla. It is an awesome honor to get a chance to speak to my classmates and peers. When I was asked to participate, I did not hesitate because I really love Howard. Inclusion is key to ending bullying, and I'm grateful to play a part.
That is true, Janae. We all must do our part, and every October is just a reminder. Well, by now, all of you probably have on your bully shirts. Some black, some blue, and the most recent two are orange. I'm not hating, but I still think the junior class shirts are the best ones.
Kayla, I have to disagree. These new shirts with #HowardUnity on them and the phrase on the back, choose kindness, acceptance, and inclusion says it all for me. But I'm not hating. Just acknowledge that I like it a lot.
Well, either way, today it's all about #HowardUnity. Let's take what we have learned over the course of the past 2 weeks and apply it daily to make Howard and the world the best place we can.
Kayla, I do agree with that. These types of programs definitely bring out the best in students, and I'm proud to say #HowardUnity.
Happy Halloween, Wildcats. Remember, #HowardUnity.